Check out this Acura 2020 TLX 3.5L V6. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle's top features include 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, CD player, radio data system, radio, Acura premium audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and HVAC memory. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.